Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to add the YouTube Gallery widget to your Wix website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First, go to Elfsight and choose the YouTube Gallery widget in the menu list. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. So, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your needs best. Click Continue with this template. Connect your YouTube channel or create custom source groups to curate and showcase the best video content on your website. Customize the layout of your YouTube feed to create a visually appealing and engaging display of your videos on your website. Customize the look and feel of your YouTube feed to perfectly complement your website's design and branding. Access advanced settings to fine-tune your YouTube feed, including language options, API key management, AdSense integration, and privacy controls. Click Add to Website to get the Embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget you just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Wix admin panel. In your Wix Editor, add an Embed Code element to your page, then paste the widget code into it. Now let's add the app to your Wix website. Log into Wix and open your website's editor. Go to the page where you want the app to appear and click Add section. Select Embed Code, choose Embed HTML, then paste your Google Reviews installation code into the field. Click Update or Publish to save the changes. That's it. Your app is now live on your Wix website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.